so I have a surprise. My June Allure Beauty Box just came in. I also have the special edition because I am new to Beauty Box. I am a loyal FabFitFun subscriber. But CauseBox and Beauty Box just became parts of my life. But I'm going to review that in a second video. So I have not even opened this yet. So let's get to it. Unboxing time. So their packaging is awesome, you guys. Geico ad. Very critical. So I think, oh, there's promo codes in here. Yeah. That's pretty cool. And this goes over everything that is in here. So, let's see what we have. Here is the box. It comes with a little red paper. So, let's see. All right, so first up, it is the Allure Resurfacing Glycolic and Unicorn Root Cleanser. Amethyst, Glycolic, Lactic, and True Unicorn Root Resurface, Refine, and Hydrate all skin types. 100% vegan. All natural. I did just see this on Grove Collaborative's website, this brand, so guessing they're pretty clean. Let's see what's next. AHC Essential Real Eye Cream for face. It says concentrated eye cream for the whole face. I'm confused. Oh, concentrated eye cream that can be used on the whole face. This is a K-Beauty brand, not one that I've tried yet, so pretty cool. Then we have, if you can see it, Skin Ink, My Daily Dose of Glow, Illuminate and Brighten. So this is Japanese technology in this one, I guess. Or so it says. And I'm trying to figure out what it is. Well, it's a serum. It's a face serum. I guess that's all I got on that, you guys. As always, reviews on all of this stuff will be on my blog as soon as possible. Obviously, not quite there yet. Gotta unbox it first. So, next up we have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. I have not tried this yet, but I have tried the brow pencil. Pretty excited about that. Well, this is cute. It's mini. Arizona Eau de Parfum. So this is perfume, apparently. Okay, I'll open this one up because there's not much to review. I'll tell you what it smells like if I can figure it out. Okay, this is so cute, you guys. Look at it. It's pink. It's so little. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm glad I opened it now. Let's see. Ooh, so very floral. It probably has like notes somewhere that say what all's in it. I'm trying to think of what perfume it reminds me of. Oh, I don't even know. It's kind of like a juicy floral. It's clean, but a little juicy. Not too sweet. Exactly my favorite kind of scent. So pretty excited about that. I will post a link with more details on this because I can't really pronounce the other words on this package. So you guys will have to let me know if you subscribe to Allure, if you found it was worth it, wasn't worth it, the best things you've gotten, all the fun stuff. because like I said, I'm new. Okay, so here we have Curology Smooth Sailing. So way more than a moisturizer. It's an entire skincare set for free. Hit us up for the rest of the routine. So I guess you have to go to their website. Oh, ultra personal skincare for your skin individual needs. Get a free custom formula plus the cleanser and moisturizer at Curology.com/allure. Don't know if I was supposed to share that with you. Oh well, spoiler. So I will definitely be checking that out, and I guess I will review the whole set once I get it. And then we have one more. Looks like we have a Korean K-Beauty mask in here. When Glamour Base. So, when you need a fabulous base for flawless skin, prepare with When Glamour Base. Premium biocellulose sheet mask for face, contains effective ingredients to help your skin look smooth and firm. See if any ingredients pop out at me. Grapefruit seed. Looks like maybe some kind of bamboo extract. All right, the rest of this is Greek to me, you guys. Oh, Panax ginseng, colloidal platinum. This could be promising. So I'll let you know what I think when I try it out. That is it for this box, you guys. Be sure to like this video if it was helpful for you, and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more like it. And be sure to enter my giveaways on Instagram. I have one running right now, but by the time this premieres, it might not be. We'll see. So be sure to follow me and check that out. I give away good stuff. My current giveaway is worth over $50. So yeah, thanks for watching.